Hello, this is Jim from Tech. I was going to give you a review of the VISUO private eye drone, and we're going to go through the setup process here, and hopefully it goes off first go because it can be a bit cumbersome sometimes. And first of all, what you need to do is download. There's two apps. You have the XS812 GPS or UFO. Both are the same, so you'll install them first. And then what you'll have here is your drone and your remote control, and this is where your phone will go. And in the unboxing we've went through all these buttons, pretty straightforward. You've left and right, up and down, forward and back. You've orbiting and speed on top. And you calibrate here, you have a home button here and so on, and your compass and your stop. So one point of advice I'd give is your drone is very portable. Now if you add on these wings or blade protectors, it will make the portability issue a bit more difficult, but they just pop in like so, and I'd advise you use them. We've tried and tested this drone already, and we've crashed with them on it, and we'll show you that in the video. We don't hide that in here. Any of our videos, you see what you get straight out raw, and they protect. I haven't had to replace any blades or anything like that, and this fell from about 40 foot and it survived, and there's no problem at all. So what you'll do is you'll switch on the drone underneath, and you will see your lights on flashing here. So then you will turn on the actual unit here, press up and down like so to actually activate the drone. Then what you'll do is you will turn the drone around 3 times on a surface like so, and it must be flat. And what will happen is you see the green lights have stopped, and then you will do the same horizontally, point the drone facing up into the sky, turn it around 3 times, and you're good to go. So what you need to do is with the apps is, we'll go through that now in one sec. What you'll want to do then is calibrate here. So you can see now that the lights are all flashing. And then to activate, you will press both sticks to the right. So you'll open up your GPS app. And this is what the app looks like here. Then you can see you have the images on the phone. This is the problem that I've had with this app here. So I'm going to go back out of that one and go into the other one, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But we'll just show you how to do it. So you need to connect your drone with Wi-Fi, and you'll go to your Wi-Fi settings here, and you'll see that you have the GPS drone here scrolling across there, Wi-Fi 1080p GPS. So in the app now, as you can see, the camera is activated, which is excellent. And basically, how are you doing? So from here, on top here, you have a list of icons. So you have location, your camera shot, your video shot, and so on, your camera angle, satellites here. It'll search for satellites, and then you have your settings key over here. And again, you've speech, you've home, and you can split screen for VR as well, like so, which is cool. And it's pretty straightforward. You can do the same stuff here for the camera and the Photoshop. So you press once to start recording and press stop to record. And if you press the camera, you will hear a noise like so, and it will go into your gallery. So just to give you an idea, you don't need an SD card. Some of these drones do need an SD card. You'll open up your photos folder, go into albums, and you can see that it will take the picture there, and there's just an image from yesterday. And then if you go into your videos, we've a couple in there, and we've a couple in there as well, so they pretty simply land into its own specific folder on the phone itself. So after you do that, press the 2 sticks down into the middle here, into the right, or left, whatever way you want to look at it. And your drone is more or less ready to go, as you can see there. So it's pretty simple to get going, and that's how you do it. So like I said, you just press the 2 sticks in and you're good to go. So then you will have your app, your phone plugged in up here on the remote control, like so. And it's a pity you couldn't get the other one up yet. The other one was having some problems with it, but it has some more information on the app itself. I'm going to try and relaunch that and see if I can get into it there. But in this one here we have your wind speed, your satellites and your stuff like that. But I keep getting this error coming up on the screen here and I can't get rid of it. So this one's actually just a similar option here on the side. Your camera, your gallery, your photographs, your battery here in full. But this keeps happening to it. So just use the other app. It's much more less problematic, if you want to put that, but it's similar, but just a bit more detail on the flight status and so on. So after this, we're going to go to some clips that we took. We took some daytime clips and some evening clips to give you a shot what it's like in low light. It's not actually bad at all, and you might excuse the quick left and right as I was testing it out, but we'll have a lot more videos coming with this drone because we're going to be using it for stuff here on site. But that's it for the first part of this video, and stay tuned for the clips afterwards.